Strasbourg, a city nestled on the border of France and Germany, serves as a captivating embodiment of European history, culture, and diplomacy. Renowned for its picturesque charm, architectural splendor, and international significance, Strasbourg offers a wide array of attractions that cater to travelers seeking a blend of tradition, innovation, and multicultural experiences. The historic heart of Strasbourg is La Petite France, a charming neighborhood characterized by its half-timbered houses, cobblestone streets, and canals. This area, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, exudes a romantic ambience and offers a glimpse into the city's medieval past. Strasbourg's iconic cathedral, Cathedral Notre-Dame de Strasbourg, stands as a masterpiece of Gothic architecture. Its stunning facade, intricate carvings, and astronomical clock make it a must-visit site, while climbing to the cathedral's viewing platform rewards visitors with panoramic views of the city. The European Parliament, located in the European Quarter, reflects Strasbourg's role as a symbol of European unity and diplomacy. Guided tours offer insights into the workings of the European Union and the significance of Strasbourg as a center for international dialogue. The Palais Rohan, a grand palace that once housed French bishops, now houses three museums: the Musée des Beaux-Arts, Musée Archéologique, and Musée des Arts Décoratifs, offering a rich collection of art, artifacts, and historical exhibits that span centuries. The city's charming canals offer a unique perspective of Strasbourg, and taking a boat tour through the Ile River allows visitors to admire the city's architecture from a different angle. The ponts couverts, a series of covered bridges, add to the romantic allure of the waterways. Strasbourg's culinary scene is a delightful fusion of French and German influences, resulting in dishes that reflect the region's gastronomic diversity. Alsatian cuisine, known for its sausages, sauerkraut, and flammkuech, a type of thin pizza, can be savored in traditional taverns and contemporary eateries. The Strasbourg Christmas Market, one of the oldest and most renowned in Europe, transforms the city into a festive wonderland during the holiday season. The market stalls offer crafts, ornaments, local treats, and an enchanting atmosphere that captures the spirit of the season. The Parc de l'Orangerie, a serene oasis in the heart of the city, provides a tranquil escape with its beautifully landscaped gardens, serene lake, and the Strasbourg Zoo, making it an ideal spot for relaxation and family outings. In essence, Strasbourg embodies the harmonious blend of old-world charm and modern vitality. Whether it's exploring historic neighborhoods, embracing European diplomacy, indulging in culinary delights, or simply strolling along picturesque canals, Strasbourg invites travelers to embark on a journey that captures the essence of Europe's cultural mosaic and the city's enduring allure.